In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to make simple molds for casting small concrete objects at home without any fancy gear or stress. So, first off, you want to pick the right material for your mold. Silicone caulk mixed with cornstarch is a killer combo because it's super easy to work with and flexible enough to pop your concrete out without breaking it. You can also use plastic containers, cardboard, or even old Tupperware as molds if you want something quick and disposable. When making your mold, remember to smooth out any rough spots so your concrete piece comes out looking clean and sharp. Next, use a release agent like cooking spray or a thin layer of oil on your mold to stop the concrete from sticking. Trust me, it saves you a headache. Mix your concrete well, but don't overdo the water. Too much water makes it weak and crumbly. Pour slowly into your mold to avoid air bubbles. Tapping the mold gently helps get rid of them too. Lastly, give it enough time to dry completely, usually a day or two depending on the size, before trying to take it out. One of the biggest mistakes people make when creating concrete molds at home is using the wrong mold material that's either too stiff or not waterproof, which can wreck your project fast. Another common issue is not applying enough release agent, so the concrete sticks like glue and ruins your mold or your cast. Lastly, rushing the drying process is a classic move that leads to cracks or breakage, so patience really pays off here. BigHomeProjects.com is where homeowners can connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making your DIY projects way easier. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it's a solid spot to find new gigs without all the usual hassle.